Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at a YouTube channel merch Teespring cloth face mask. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this cloth face mask is in denim blue, which is a color between teal and turquoise, and the order is fulfilled by Teespring. So taking a look at the back of the face mask, it does have a cotton lining or backing, and the front or exterior of the face mask is made from polyester. So it does have two elastic ear straps, as you can see, and of course for this video demonstration I will touch the face mask itself, but you should avoid touching any parts of the face mask to avoid or minimize any contamination. So just for this video I will be showing you the fabric, so this cotton cover on the interior of the face mask, just showing you the softness. So it is quite soft, and you can see that it is white or slightly off-white in color, and showing you the close-up details of the face mask as well in terms of the stitching and the elastic ear loop, and just showing you how stretchy that is, and of course the thickness and the material quality of that elastic loop. So right there, giving you some close-up looks and details of this YouTube channel merch Teespring cloth face mask. So flipping over to the front or exterior of the face mask, you can see once again that denim blue color, which is quite attractive and relaxing at the same time. It's like staring into the ocean, sort of, almost. And this denim blue color is, as I mentioned, somewhere between a teal and turquoise. And just giving you a close-up look as to the satin sheen of the fabric and that softness as well, being made from polyester right there. So this is a reusable face mask, and this one has my Sutats design in my merch store or shelf with a "Hello everybody" text right there on the front of the face mask, of course. So right there, giving you a close-up look as to the thickness of the face mask. Once that autofocus comes in, so right there. And of course, this face mask is not stitched on the top side. So you can see you can add your own micro filters between the exterior and the cotton interior or backing of this face mask. Okay, so giving you another look at the details of this YouTube channel merch Teespring cloth face mask. So right there, once again, is the "Hello everybody" text, which is part of this design that I've created for my YouTube store. And right there, just pulling on both sides of the elastic ear loops, and right there showing you that softness of the fabric. Of course, once again, just reminding you that I'm touching the face mask only for the purpose of this video demonstration, but you should avoid touching it to avoid any contamination. It's right there. Close-up details and print quality. And overall construction and design of this YouTube channel merch Teespring cloth face mask. It's right there. And to give you some idea of the size, just hovering my hand over the face mask. And this time round, setting the face mask in my palm. So that's the YouTube channel merch Teespring cloth face mask. Thanks for watching and happy covering!